Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harini. In today's video, we are going to discuss some really cool, interesting and fun apps which you can use to improve your English speaking skill. One of the biggest problems that we English learners face, especially in a country like India, is to find a perfect speaking partner. And in today's video, I'm going to help you with that. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First app that I'm going to talk about is Grammarly. I personally use this app and I highly recommend this app to all of you because this is much more than a spell checker. It also highlights your grammatical errors and gives a neat explanation so that you won't make the same mistakes again. For example, if you write, she did not told me about her new job, the Grammarly will tell you to change it to she did not tell me about her new job. This is super helpful, right? You can use this on your computer and you can also download their mobile keyboards on your phone. So the second app we have is HelloTalk app. If you haven't used this yet, you're absolutely gonna love it. This app allows you to connect with people all over the world in real time that will help you improve your English speaking skills. At the same time, this app has got really great features like video calling, audio calling, group chats, translation tools, etc. So you can definitely try this app and you will love it. So the next app on our list is a BBC Learning English app. If you prefer structured lessons, then this app is absolutely for you. This app will help you with your new vocabulary, with your pronunciation, and there are loads of videos of grammar lessons which you can watch and learn from. The next app I'm going to talk about is Cake Learning app. This is an amazing application. You can watch loads of video lectures and learn to communicate with people in English. And one thing that is important while learning English is accent. This app will help you with that also. There is a feature in this app wherein you can record your voice and get instant feedback. For that, they use some artificial intelligence speech recognition technology, which is really cool. The next app that I'm going to talk about is BuddyTalk or OpenTalk. This is a great application again. It will help you connect with people all around the globe. So you will get to talk to native, non-native speakers and people with different accents that will also help you to improve your listening skills. The last app that I'm going to talk about is Duolingo. This is the best all-rounder. I'm sure you must have heard about this. But did you know that 34 hours on Duolingo is equal to 1 university semester of a language course? Interesting, right? One of the reasons why this app has become so famous is because of its leaderboard challenge, wherein you compete with other players. It feels just like a game wherein you unlock levels and collect coins. But in here, you are collecting new vocabulary and grammatical structures. Learning English has never been so much fun and addictive. So these are some of the applications which I have tried on myself and found useful. If you know any more interesting English learning apps, do let me know in the comment section below. And remember one thing, what works for others might not work for you. So you have to choose the best app that will actually help you in improving English. So do your trial and error, try different apps and choose the best one for yourself. And that is it for today's video. I hope you find it useful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe. I'll be back with another interesting video real soon. Until then, stay tuned to the Township.